Hey, future scientists! Welcome to chemistry, the science that explains everything from why your soda fizzes to how your phone battery works. Exciting, right? Today, we're diving into the introduction to chemistry. By the end of this lesson, you'll see chemistry not as a boring subject, but as your everyday superpower. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science that deals with the study of matter. What then is matter? Matter is basically anything that has mass and occupies space. Matter is everything around you. Your pen, your hair, your lunch, the house you live in, even the air you breathe. But chemistry isn't just about mixing weird liquids in labs. It's about understanding how the world works. Think of chemistry as the recipes of the universe. Chemistry is divided into 5 branches. Let's remember them with the rhyme, I only like physical adventures. I for inorganic chemistry, O for organic chemistry, L for laboratory analytical chemistry, P for physical chemistry, and A for applied industrial chemistry. See? Easy peasy. Chemistry is in food. You want to know why onions make you cry. Medicine. You want to know how paracetamol eases your headache. Agriculture. How do fertilizers help crops grow? Technology. From plastics to solar panels. Basically, you live in a chemical world. Quick question. Which branch of chemistry studies plastics? A. Organic. B. Physical. C. Correct answer. A. Organic. Quick recap. Chemistry is study of matter and changes. Branches? I only like physical adventures. Importance? Everywhere. Food, drugs, tech, agriculture. If you remember this, you're officially a baby chemist. Next class, we'll explore the particulate nature of matter, and I'll show you why gases are like restless teenagers. Don't miss it.